Pop-up cameras are cool, swivel cameras are even cooler, but what the Asus Zenfone 6 offers might just be the coolest mechanical camera that we have seen yet. The Asus Zenfone 6 is now official after being announced at an event in Spain. The phone succeeds the Zenfone 5Z and quite expectedly it maxes out the spec sheet. You get a Snapdragon 855 under the hood paired with either 6GB or 8GB of RAM and up to 256GB of storage, along with a giant 5000 mAh battery that also supports QuickCharge 4.0 with 18W fast charging. However, what got our interest peaked was the camera module on the phone. Like the Samsung Galaxy A80, this also features a flip camera module. But what's unique in case of the Zenfone 6 is that you can control the angle you want to flip the camera. The Zenfone 6 has a 48 megapixel primary camera paired with a 13 megapixel ultra wide camera, which also doubles up as the front camera setup. A lot of engineering has gone into designing this camera module, including a proprietary gearbox, liquid metal and a custom PCB design, which is something that we appreciate. It's good to see OEMs look for ways to offer a full screen display and get around the notch. What we couldn't justify is why would I need a flip camera that offers free angle shooting. I mean, a smartphone can be held in all the angles the Zenfone 6 offers to take photos. The benefits that Asus claimed are shooting panoramas, videos and for face unlock. It's smart to make the rear camera work as the front, but did Asus really need to put such engineering efforts to offer free angle shooting? Nevertheless, the flip camera's 48MP shooter works quite well. It's a task to switch between the 48 megapixel mode and the 12 megapixel bind mode it uses by default. The flip camera has twice as many gears as a standard pop-up module and can flip over the camera to the front really fast. That helps in face unlock using the rear camera itself. I used it during my time with the phone and was left surprised by the speed at which the phone unlocked. The only downside is that you have to manually swipe the lock screen up first before the camera starts looking for a face, but that's mostly to prevent the camera to keep opening even when you don't want to unlock the phone. There's also a gravity sensor in the phone that automatically closes the module if it detects the phone is falling down. During our time with it, the camera closed at least 4 out of 5 times when dropped from the hand, but it's at one time that it didn't, which leaves us quite skeptical. The flip camera in fact comes in handy when you're taking a panorama. One tap on the button and the camera automatically moved the module to shoot the 180-degree panorama, all on its own without having to move the phone. It's quite nifty that way. Then there's object tracking, which didn't quite work as well as it should, but that's probably because our unit was running on pre-production software. Basically, the camera can lock into a moving object and keep following the object around by rotating the module automatically. But our unit did lose track of the object quite a few times, and for it to work, the object can't move fast in the frame. There are other features in the camera as well that are worth highlighting. There's Hdr Enhance, which is a name Asus is borrowing from the Pixel devices. It works by merging multiple photos taken at various exposure to extract more dynamic range. Then there's a night mode as well, which also takes multiple shots but to improve the details and reduce shake. The Asus Zenfone 6 is certainly one of the most interesting Zenfone devices that we have seen in a long time. There's some crazy engineering that has gone into making this, and the result does look quite good both on paper and in use. But what exactly is the purpose of the rotating camera, where Asus could simply put a pop-up camera or a Galaxy A80 like swivel mechanism? But credit should be given to the company for innovating on the design, something that we have so far seen restricted to the likes of Vivo and Oppo only. So that's all that we had to tell you about the Asus Zenfone 6. So if you guys like this video, let us know what you guys think about this phone in the comment section below. And for more videos like this, stay tuned to digit.in.